Okay, welcome back, and now we're going to do another checkpoint. So again, we're given sine theta is equal to -4/5, and we're told that theta lies in quadrant 3, and we want to use that information to solve for cosine theta, and then we're going to use the information from A and also trig identities to solve for tangent theta. So again, do it on your own. Pause the video, come back and see if you got the right answer. All right, here we go. So now sine is -5/4. So sine is negative, so we know, well, we're in the third quadrant, so sine is negative in the third quadrant because again, opposite over hypotenuse, y over r, so y is negative in the third quadrant. So with that information, so now, again, let's do our right triangle. Again, you don't have to, it's helpful to write it in the right quadrant, but once you get used to it, you don't have to, but let's just do it anyway. So third quadrant, we're going to be down here. Okay, so here's our right triangle. Here's theta prime. And again, if you want your angle here, theta, you can think about it that way. And it's -4/5. Now, obviously 5 is the hypotenuse, so that's going to be here. So that can't be negative. So obviously it's going to be here, -4. So what we need to do is, for cosine, it's x over r. So we're going to have to find x, but x is also going to be negative, as you can see. So cosine is negative in quadrant 3. Okay, so now find x. So that's where we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So let me do it this way. So again, it's going to be x squared plus -4 squared is equal to 5 squared. Okay, so we get x squared plus 16 equals 25. And so of course, if we subtract 16 from both sides, we get x squared is equal to 9. And so that tells us that x is equal to 3. Okay? Now in this case, again, x is negative. So it's going to be -3. So now we got x. So now we can easily find cosine. Because cosine is what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. So it's going to -3/5. And now tangent again. For tangent, we're going to use the trig identity. So it's going to be sine over cosine. And so we're going to take -4/5 divided by -3/5. And lo and behold, we get 4/3. And it's positive. And tangent is positive in the third quadrant. All right, I hope you got the right answer. If you didn't, check my work. Make sure you practice and learn from your mistakes. Bye.